The Slovenian business point, Spot Consulting Services in the Coast Karst region, has begun to operate in January 2018. It is a consortium of 4 organizations with a many-year tradition in supporting services focused on entrepreneurs: the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Primorska, the Koper Regional Development Center, the Karst and Burkini Regional Development Agency, and the Regional Chamber of Craft and Small Business at Sežana. 4 consultants provide free of charge basis consulting services in the field of establishment and startup of undertakings, development of business ideas, and business management. Within the Spot project activities, the Spot consultants provide contacts and cooperation with municipalities as well as do the networking with various entrepreneurship assistance-oriented organizations in order to improve the support in the creation, growth, and development of undertakings in the region. The Coast Karst region is the only Slovene region having the sea and sub-Mediterranean climate, with dense inhabited coastal areas and rare inhabited karst areas in the hinterland. The region consists of 8 municipalities: Koper, Ankaran, Izola and Piran in the coastal area, and Sežana, Komen, Divača and Hrpelje Kozina in the karstic area. The region is one of the more commercially and industrially developed regions with one of the biggest circular innovations operating center in Europe. The key industries are tourism, trade and traffic, whereas the highest values added are created in service businesses. It is a region with developed rural areas, keeping up a sustainable management with natural and cultural merit goods. Tourism has a long tradition, developed tourist infrastructure and tourist products. Natural resources make the tourism and traffic possible to develop and to grow specific cultures in agriculture sector. The Coast Karst region is highly tourism-oriented, with the highest number of overnight stays among all statistically treated regions. There are almost 1 million tourist visitors recorded every year. With the purpose to establish new tourist products, we identify and network stakeholders operating in the tourist industry. Sea, wind, salt, Mediterranean scents, palms, roses and evergreen flora, relaxation, entertainment and social events are words which are the closest to simply describe the coastal tourist offer. The Karst is another specific place. The image and the soul are seen in the karsts, stone constantly and from forever changing by the water and the man, and all together creating a magical world of caves, disappearing rivers, collapsed dolines and other karstic phenomena. The elegant white Lipizzanas, known and admired all over the world, are originally from Lipica, at the Karst. The region takes a pride in successful, fast-growing, development-oriented undertakings, which are creating more than 10% average annual growth, as well as in being the university region with the University of Primorska. The region faces investments into development in infrastructure, business zones, education with the emphasis on technical professions in demand and industry, and investments into undertakings through national and most of all international tenders. Entrepreneurs in our region, as well as elsewhere, face a number of challenges, although they need a kind, stable and effective supporting environment for the development of their undertakings. The region has a developed system of supporting entrepreneurship and innovative environment which offer entrepreneurs the support and incentives in their endeavor. The key development potentials lie in the region's geostrategic location with the Koper trade port, which is the European window to the world. The vision is to become the region of a successful economy and high-quality living conditions based on the creativity of people and their sustainable management of better goods.